Cheerful morning to one and all. Welcome to English class. In this video, we are going to start new unit 3. Shall we start, children? Yes. Unit 3, places in my town. Places in my town. Children, tell me few places in our town. Yes. Collectorate, Children Park, Annamalayar Koval, etc. I am here to book my ticket. Can you tell where I am? This girl says, I am here to book my ticket. Children, look at this picture. Tell me which place is this? Yes, you are correct. This is railway station. Let us recall. First one, name the picture to your friend. Look at this first picture, children. Who is he? Yes, he is a doctor. Who is he? Yes, he is a postman. Number 2, circle the things you find in your school. You have to circle the things which are in your school. Blackboard. Circle blackboard. Chair. Table. These are the things we find in our school. Number 3, what is this? Write and show. Children, look at this picture, children. Some children are playing in the swing and some on the slide. Isn't it? Yes. So, this picture refers park. Right? Park. P-A-R-K. Park. Let us get into today's class. Look and say. Look and say. Children, practice this vocabulary using the given picture. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Post office. P-O-S-T-O-F-F-I-C-E. Post office. Library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. Hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Police station. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Police station. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Bus stop. B-U-S. Bus. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Bus stop. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. Zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo. Railway station. R-A-I-L. Railway. W-A-Y. Way. Railway station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Railway station. Children, let us learn the poem Breezy beach. Breezy beach. First I am going to read the poem. Listen carefully. Breezy wind in the morning. Breezy wind in the morning. Dark clouds keep growing. Dark clouds keep growing. For it could start raining. For it could start raining. Daya and his father go horse riding. Daya and his father go horse riding. The sea is so vast and blue. The sea is so vast and blue. The waves come running to you. The waves come running to you. He built a castle on the sand. He built a castle on the sand and decorated it with the shells in his hand. And decorated it with the shells in his hand. Breezy beach. Daya and his father went to beach. He is Daya and he is Daya's father. Breezy wind in the morning. That is pleasant wind. Dark clouds keep growing. Now it is going to start raining. Daya and his father go horse riding. The sea is so vast and blue. What color, children? Yes, blue color. Look at this picture. What is the color of the sea? Yes, blue color. The sea is so vast. Vast means large in size or very great in size. See, this is waves. The waves come running to you. The waves come running to you, and Daya and his father built castle on the sand. Castle building. Sand building. Yes, and both of them decorated this castle with the shells in his hand. I repeat the poem. Listen, children. Breezy beach. Breezy wind in the morning. Dark clouds keep growing. For it could start raining. Daya and his father go horse riding. The sea is so vast and blue. The waves come running to you. He built a castle on the sand and decorated it with the shells in his hand. Let us learn. Let us learn. A cloud of trash. Trash means waste materials. A cloud of waste materials. Shall we start the story, children? Yes. Main character Charu. Charu is the main person in the story, A Cloud of Trash. Charu was a smart and bright girl. She always was kind to all, but she was the unhappiest girl among her friends. She was certainly the unhappiest girl in her entire class. She was perhaps the unhappiest girl in the world, or at least that's what she felt. Charu was a smart and bright girl, and she was kind to all, but she was the unhappiest girl among her friends, unhappiest girl in her entire class, and unhappiest girl in the world. What she felt. What about her friends? Charu had no friends anymore. No one wanted to play with Charu because she had a cloud hanging over her head. She is Charu. It is a cloud of trash. Always a cloud hanging over Charu's head. So, no one wanted to play with Charu, and Charu had no friends. The cloud had orange peels and biscuit packets, broken toys and pencil shavings, twisted plastic bottles and colorful plastic bags, all surrounded by a swarm of buzzing flies. Swarm means a group of flying insects. A group of flying insects. In this cloud of trash, it has orange peels, biscuit packets, broken toys, pencil shavings, etc. All surrounded by a group of flying insects. Nobody wanted to play with a girl who had a cloud of trash hanging over her. What if a rotten banana peel fell on your head? Yuck! No one wanted to play with Charu. If she follows anyone, they ran off because a cloud of trash hanging over Charu's head. Charu couldn't even play hide and seek anymore. The cloud would always give her away. Let's walk to school together, she said to Sona. Sona ran off in the opposite direction. Even Charu couldn't play hide and seek. The cloud would always give her away. Charu said to Sona, let's walk to school. But Sona ran off in the opposite direction. She asked, may I borrow your pencil? Jhansi made a face and changed her seat to go sit with Asha. Charu even had to eat her lunch alone. In Charu's class, Charu asked Jhansi, may I borrow your pencil? But Jhansi made a face and changed her seat and sit with Asha. Even in lunchtime, Charu had to eat alone. Charu knew that she should have listened to her Amma. Amma always told her not to litter. Don't throw the banana peel on the road. Throw the empty biscuit packet in the dustbin. Charu knew that she would have listened to her Amma. Charu's Amma always told Charu not to litter. Litter means putting waste on the road or nearby. Don't throw the banana peel on the road. Throw the empty biscuit in the dustbin. These are Amma's advice to Charu. But Charu never listened. She only laughed and kept littering. She did not care about her surroundings. But Charu never listened to her Amma. Charu laughed and kept littering, and Charu did not care about her surroundings. Then one day, Amma became very angry and said, "Soon all this trash will start follow you." One day, Amma became very angry and said, "Soon all this trash will start following you." Charu just laughed. The next morning, Charu woke up to a foul smell and the sound of buzzing flies. A cloud of trash was hanging over her head. Amma's words had come true. Charu to try run away, but the trash cloud followed her everywhere. She tried to sweep the cloud down with a broom, only to find the cloud over her head. Charu just laughed. The next morning, Charu woke up with a bad smell and the sound of buzzing flies. A cloud of trash was hanging over her head. Amma's words had come true, and Charu tried to run away, but the cloud followed her everywhere, and Charu tried to sweep the cloud down with the broom, but she can't. Charu tried everything. She screamed and asked the cloud to leave her alone. She even tried to throw it into the dustbin, but it just wouldn't go. So, Charu became very unhappy. Then something happened. Charu saw Bala throwing a banana peel on the road near the park. Charu tried everything to sweep the cloud down with a broom, but Charu can't. She screamed. Screamed means cried, and asked the cloud to leave her alone. She even tried to throw the cloud into the dustbin, but the cloud wouldn't go. So Charu became very unhappy. Then something happened, that Bala throwing a banana peel on the road near the park. Charu was annoyed. Annoyed means irritated. Irritated. Could he not see the cloud over her head? She held, "Don't throw the peel on the road. Someone will slip." Bala, scared of the trash cloud, threw the peel in the dustbin. Could Bala not see the cloud over Charu's head? She shouted, "Don't throw the peel on the road. Someone will slip." Bala, afraid of the trash cloud, and he threw the peel in the dustbin. The next day, the trash cloud had become smaller. After that, the next day, the trash cloud had become smaller. How did that happen? Charu wondered. Charu wondered how did that happen. Then Charu saw Amuda auntie throwing away plastic bags near the hospital. "Auntie," Charu said, "please pick up these bags. I am sure you can reuse them." Amuda auntie picked up the bags and left. Then Charu saw Amuda auntie throwing away the plastic bags near the hospital. Charu said to the auntie, "Auntie, please pick up these bags. I am sure you can reuse these plastic bags." Amuda auntie picked all the bags and left from that place. The next day, when Charu woke up, the cloud was much smaller. Charu smiled. She knew what she had to do. The next day, when Charu woke up, the cloud was much smaller than before. Charu smiled and she knew what she had to do. When someone threw away a biscuit packet or pencil shavings in the school, Charu stopped them. From that day onwards, when someone threw away waste materials in the school, Charu stopped them. Waste materials, for example, biscuit packet or pencil shavings, etc. She picked up every twisted plastic bottle near the hotel and put it in the dustbin. And then Charu picked up all the twisted plastic bottle near the hotel and she started to put it in the dustbin. The village became cleaner and cleaner, and Charu's cloud became smaller and smaller. From that day onwards, the village became cleaner and Charu's cloud became smaller, until one day it had gone. At last, the cloud had gone, completely gone. Charu was now perhaps the happiest girl in the world. Now, Charu was the happiest girl in the world. Charu never littered again. Secretly, she liked having the village clean, but she was also scared that the trash cloud would come back someday. Who knew? Do you litter things in your village? Children, do you litter things in your village? My message about cleanliness. Cleanliness is not a work which we should do forcefully. It is a good habit and healthy way of our healthy life. It should be practiced from the childhood. A neat and clean body is the basic requirement for a healthy and happy mind. Cleanliness is indeed next to godliness. I repeat, cleanliness is indeed next to godliness. Children, let us do the bookwork. Let us understand. A. Circle the right word. Circle the right word. Litter, letter. L-I-T-T-E-R, litter. Letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. Which is the correct word, children? Yes, litter. Circle the word litter. Rain, trash, cloud. Second picture, rain, trash, cloud. Which is the correct word? Yes, trash, cloud. Circle the word trash, cloud. Third picture, hospital, hotel. Hospital, hotel. Right word, hotel. Circle the word hotel. B. Write the correct letter to match. Left hand side. A. Amuda. B. Charu. C. Jhansi. D. Amma. E. Sona. Right hand side. Cloud of trash. Plastic covers. Ran off. Changed her seat. Angry at Charu. Amuda. Plastic covers. Write A in second box. A. Charu. Cloud of trash. Write B in first box. Jhansi. Changed her seat. Write C in fourth box. Amma. Angry at Charu. Write D in last box. Sona. Ran off. Write E in third box. B, A, E, C, D. See, listen, think and write. Number 1. Why did no one play with Charu? Answer is, no one wanted to play with Charu because she had a cloud of trash hanging over her head. I repeat, no one wanted to play with Charu because she had a cloud of trash hanging over her head. Number 2. Name the things in the trash cloud. Answer is, orange peels, pencil shavings, broken toys, banana peels and colorful plastic bags. I repeat, orange peels, pencil shavings, broken toys, banana peels and colorful plastic bags. Number 3. What did Charu's Amma tell her? Answer is, Charu's Amma told her not to litter. I repeat, Charu's Amma told her not to litter. Number 4. How did Charu's cloud become smaller? Answer is, once Charu stopped littering, the cloud became smaller. I repeat, once Charu stopped littering, the cloud became smaller. Number 5. What will you do to keep places around you clean? Answer is, I will put waste into dustbin. I will not throw it away. I repeat, I will put waste into dustbin. I will not throw it away. Let us practice. Show the actions and say it to your friend. Post. P-O-S-T. Post. Paste. P-A-S-T-E. Paste. Inject. I-N-J-E-C-T. Inject. Deposit. D-E-P-O-S-I-T. Deposit. Fill in the blanks with the picture related to public places. First picture, inject. Write N-J-E-C. I-N-J-E-C-T. Inject. Second one, post. P-O-S-T. Post. Third, deposit. D-E-P-O-S-I-T. Deposit. Let us say, listen to the sound and repeat. E-A-R as in pear, beer, pear, beer. A-R-E as in care, snare, care, snare. A-I-R as in chair, dairy, chair, dairy. I repeat, pear, beer, care, snare, chair, dairy. Listen and repeat. Pear, where, bear, tear, snare, rare, dare, care, where, share, air, hair, fair, pair, stare. Read aloud. This is a big brown bear. Blue gems are rare. The pear is green. The chair is made of wood. Let us practice. Circle and fill the correct letter cluster. First, prepare. P-R-E-P-A-R-E. Prepare. Stare. S-T-A-I-R. Stare. Wear. W-E-A-R. Wear. Circle. A-R-E. Here A-I-R. Here E-A-R. Pair. P-A-I-R. Pair. Circle. A-I-R. Air. Fill in the blanks. H-A-I-R. Hair. Tear. T-E-A-R. Tear. H-A-R-E. Hair. F-A-I-R-Y. Fairy. Let us practice. Fill in the blanks. Goodbye, Vinu. Goodbye, Sam. Children, write goodbye. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E. Goodbye, Vinu. Goodbye. It was nice talking to you, Mano. Here, goodbye, Aparna. It was nice talking to you. Write nice talking to. Look at the pictures and words given below. Hi Mubina. Hi Kumar. Mubina, let's play a game. I will do something now. You have to see and name it. Super. You throw the can into the bin. You give Teddy to Joe. You jump in the park. Can you write the words in pink? Give, G-I-V-E, give. Throw, T-H-R-O-W, throw. Jump, J-U-M-P, jump. Children, please write these words in pink color pencil. Okay. What do these words tell us? These words tell us the action that the person or thing does. Such words are called action words. We can find action words by asking the question, what does she or he or it do? Look at the picture and circle the correct action word. Children, look at this picture. Play, work. Circle the word work. Write, give. Circle the word write. Walk, draw. Circle the word draw. Hear, draw. Circle the word hear. Play, sit. Circle the word sit. Think, dance. Circle the word dance. Look at the words and tick the box if it is an action word or put a cross if it is not. Number 1. I read a story every day. Read is a action word. So, tick in first box. Number 2. We open the door. Open is action word. So, put tick. Number 3. The birds sit on the tree. Tree is not an action word. So, put cross. They play football in the ground. Football is not action word. So, put cross. Number 5. You eat the mango. Eat is action word. So, put tick. First one tick, second one tick, third one cross, fourth one cross, fifth one tick.